Austria has entered a new era of military aviation, marking a significant milestone in its defense capabilities. With the acquisition of the Embraer C-390 Millennium, the Austrian Air Force is now equipped with one of the most advanced military transport aircraft in the world. The C-390 is a modern military transport aircraft designed to meet the diverse needs of contemporary air forces. It boasts advanced capabilities and cutting-edge technology, including state-of-the-art avionics and robust engineering. The aircraft is a crucial asset for modern air forces, capable of performing a wide range of missions from cargo transport to troop deployment. It provides strategic airlift and tactical support, ensuring that Austria can respond swiftly and effectively to various operational demands. The C-390's arrival marks a significant upgrade for Austria's airlift capabilities, enhancing the nation's overall defense posture. Austria now possesses a versatile and powerful aircraft that can adapt to a variety of missions and environments. This enhances the nation's ability to respond to a variety of challenges, from humanitarian aid to military operations. The C-390 is a game-changer in military transport, setting a new standard for airlift capabilities and operational efficiency. Austria's decision to acquire the C-390 was driven by a need for modernization. The Austrian Air Force had been operating an aging fleet of transport aircraft that were becoming increasingly difficult and costly to maintain. Austria's aging fleet of transport aircraft needed replacement. These older models lacked the advanced capabilities and efficiency of modern aircraft, making them less effective for current and future missions. The C-390 emerged as the ideal choice for Austria. It was selected after a thorough evaluation process that considered various factors such as performance, cost, and versatility. It offered a compelling blend of capabilities. The C-390 is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, providing superior performance in a variety of roles. The aircraft's ability to operate from short and unprepared runways was a key factor. This capability ensures that the C-390 can be deployed in remote and difficult-to-access areas. This is particularly important for missions in challenging environments. Whether it's delivering humanitarian aid or supporting military operations, the C-390 can handle it all. Austria recognized the strategic value of a versatile and adaptable transport aircraft. The C-390's ability to perform a wide range of missions makes it an invaluable asset for the Austrian Air Force. The C-390 Millennium's entry into production marks a significant milestone in military aviation. The aircraft is a testament to advanced engineering and design. It pushes the boundaries of what a tactical transport aircraft can achieve. Its production signifies a growing demand for such capable aircraft. Modern militaries need reliable and adaptable airlifters. The C-390 is well positioned to meet this demand. It provides a modern and efficient solution for airlift requirements. The C-390's capabilities represent a significant advancement in military transport technology. This state-of-the-art aircraft is designed to meet the rigorous demands of modern military operations, providing unparalleled versatility and performance. The aircraft boasts an impressive payload capacity, capable of transporting heavy military equipment and large quantities of supplies. It can carry a wide range of cargo and personnel, making it ideal for both combat and humanitarian missions. Its speed and range are also noteworthy, allowing it to cover vast distances quickly and efficiently. These features allow for rapid deployment and long-distance missions, ensuring that troops and supplies can reach their destinations without delay. Compared to older transport aircraft, the C-390 offers enhanced efficiency, with advanced systems that streamline operations and reduce turnaround times. It is also more cost-effective to operate. It requires less maintenance, thanks to its modern design and durable components. This makes it a valuable asset for modern air forces, providing them with a reliable and versatile platform for a variety of missions.